Hey guys, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another great announcement. This is a product from Lutron. We've reviewed a number of their products over the years. In fact, we just had one of their spokesmen on the Chris Voss Show podcast. And the announcement they're doing is Lutron and Ring are joining forces to light up the night and bring homeowners peace of mind. So what Lutron has done is they've got these great hubs, light switches, everything else you can control your lights. We reviewed recently the wood blinds from Serena that they take and have as well that are automated. And how it works is it works with your Ring. So if you have a Ring device, it can turn on your lights when people activate the Ring, et cetera, et cetera. They basically, with the new lights controlled by the Lutron system, like, for example, the one you see here, when a linked Ring device detects motion or a Ring video doorbell is pressed, it adds lighting to the events, adding another layer of security. It gives you the impression that someone's home if someone presses a thing. So if they're casing your home and they're like, hey, let's press the Ring doorbell and see if they're home, and if they're not, we can break in, it turns on the lights and gives people the impression that you're home, even though you might be down the road at, say, the store or something like that, or maybe you're at work, which can just, make things more secure for you. And so it's all supported in the new integration by Caseta, by Lutron, and the RA2 Select Smart Lighting Control Systems and compatible Ring devices. So if you have a Ring, check out Lutron for your devices, for your different things you can add on to turn your lights on and off. They make these great dimmer switches, these great light switches, and everything else you can find at their website, Lutron. And yeah, it's pretty freaking awesome. We were very impressed with it. And you can also customize your settings based upon the time of day, how lights go on and off, activities between sunset and sunrise. Basically, in the Lutron app that you can use on iOS, Android, and the Amazon Fire tablet. I love it. We love the Ring video doorbell, which is really nice. And then, of course, you can control all the lights on your outside and your inside and everything else with the Lutron stuff. And it just brings a whole new element of safety and security to your systems. Be sure to check it out. You can go to their website and check it out. Go to Lutron.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you.